Hello friends, welcome to Infi Gyan. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting algebraic equation of degree 6. Here we have to find all possible 6 solutions, real or complex. So let's get started by checking our equation at x equal to 0. So we are going to get 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 1 in LHS, and we have 0 in RHS. So from left hand side we are going to get 1, and in RHS we have 0, which is not true. 1 cannot be 0. So we can write here for equation x cannot be 0. Now we will divide both sides by x cube. So let's divide by x cube both sides. X power 6 over x cube minus 4x power 5 over x cube minus 4x square plus 4x power 4 over x cube plus 4x minus 2x cube over x cube minus 2 plus 4x square over x cube plus 4 over x minus 4x over x cube minus 4 over x square plus 1 over x cube equal to 0 over x cube will be 0. Now we'll write first term x cube along with last term 1 over x cube, and let's put in the bracket. Then we have minus 4x square and minus 4 over x square. Minus 4 will take common, and in the bracket we need to write x square plus 1 over x square. Then we have 4x and we have 4 over x. So let us take 4 common out. So in the bracket we can write x plus 1 over x. Constant is minus 2. RHS is 0. Now our substitution time. Let us say x plus 1 over x. This is equal to u. So here we will be writing u. Now we have to convert these two expressions also in terms of u. So we will be using algebraic identity. Let me write here. Here it is. Let's assume x plus 1 over x equal to u. So we'll be writing here x square plus 1 over x square. As per formula, we know that this is x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. So x plus 1 over x is u. So we will write here u square minus 2. Similarly, we will write x cube plus 1 over x cube. Using formula, we can write here x plus 1 over x whole cube minus 3 times x plus 1 over x. Now x plus 1 over x is u. So we can write this will be equal to u cube minus 3u. Now we can replace x cube plus 1 over x cube by u cube minus 3u, and x square plus 1 over x square u square minus 2. So our equation will become, we'll write here u cube minus 3u minus 4 in bracket u square minus 2 plus 4u minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will expand LHS or simplify. We will get u cube minus 3u minus 4u square plus 8 minus 2 plus 4u equal to 0. So we will write here u cube minus 4u square. Then we have 4u minus 3u. We will write plus u. 8 minus 2 is plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. We can use rational root theorem and synthetic division method. If I will check our equation, simply at u equal to negative 1, then it is going to satisfy. Let me write equation here. U cube minus 4u square plus u plus 6 equal to 0. Let us put u equal to -1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 4 times minus 1 square minus 4 minus 1 plus 6. So here we have minus 6 and here we have plus 6. So yes, u equal to -1 will be the base solution for our equation. Now we can use synthetic division method. Here we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. Coefficient of u cube is 1, coefficient of u square is -4, coefficient of u is 1, constant is 6. We will retain our leading coefficient 1 as it is. So we'll write here 1. Now we have to multiply base solution with this leading coefficient 1. -1 times 1. We'll write product over here. Then we have to add these two numbers and write here -5. Again we'll multiply our base solution -1 with -5. So 5 will be the product. Here we'll write 6. -1 times 6 minus 6. Addition will give us 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation in u. U square minus 5u plus 6 equal to 0, which we can factorize easily. U minus 2 times u minus 3 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to get two equations, either u minus 2 equal to 0 or u minus 3 equal to 0. So we will get u equal to 2, u equal to 3. So in total we have three solutions. Base solution is -1. Then quadratic solutions are 2 and 3. We will write here u equal to -1, 2, 3. Now u was our substitution, x plus 1 over x. So I will write here x plus 1 over x equal to -1, 2 and 3. So we have to solve three equations. X plus 1 over x equal to -1. X plus 1 over x equal to 2. X plus 1 over x equal to 3. So let's begin with the first equation. We will multiply both sides by x first. So we will get x square plus 1 equal to -x, or x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can use quadratic formula. X will be equal to minus b. B is coefficient of x, so we'll write -1 plus minus square root b square, which is 1 square. I will write 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1 minus 4 divided by 2 times 1, so we'll write 2. So this will be equal to -1 plus minus square root of -1 is I. So we'll write -1 plus minus I root 3 over 2. So we have two complex solutions over here. Now we will take up second equation, x plus 1 over x equal to 2. Multiply both sides by x. We will get x square plus 1 equal to 2x. Now we will write all the terms to one side. X square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And this is x minus 1 whole square. So we are going to get two roots here, 1 and 1, or 1 with multiplicity 2. So far we have 4 roots, out of which 2 are real and 2 are complex. Now we have last equation, x plus 1 over x equal to 3. So I will write here x plus 1 over x equal to 3. Multiply both sides by x. We will get x square plus 1 equal to 3x. Or we'll write all the terms to LHS. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We'll be using quadratic formula. Here A is 1, B is 3, C is 1. Here we'll write minus sign. So let's use quadratic formula. Minus B. We'll write minus of minus 3 plus 3. Plus minus is square root of B square minus 3 square 9. Minus 4 times 1 times 1 minus 4 over 2 times 1, so 2. So we are going to get two real solutions from this equation. 3 plus minus is square root 5 over 2. So we have 4 real solutions and 2 complex solutions in total. So if I will write here all the 6 solutions, let me write. Here we have. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.